Learning to bridge the gap. Understanding and using the word bridge. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another episode in our series on understanding directional vocabulary. Today we're focusing on a very important location word, bridge. Bridges are not just physical structures that connect places. The word also plays a crucial role in our daily conversations. So, let's dive in and explore this interesting word. First off, what is a bridge? A bridge is a structure built to span a physical obstacle, like a river or road, to provide passage over the obstacle. Bridges are important parts of transportation infrastructure, allowing us to travel easily between places that might otherwise be difficult or impossible to reach. In English, we use the word bridge, both literally, to refer to the physical structure, and metaphorically, to talk about connecting two things or ideas. For example, she acted as a bridge between the two arguing parties. Here, bridge is used metaphorically to describe a person who helped reconcile two conflicting groups. In conversational English, the term bridge is commonly used when giving directions. Let's say someone is trying to find a location. You might tell them, "Cross the bridge and the restaurant is on your right." This means that they should walk or drive over the bridge to reach the restaurant. There are also some common phrases that include the word bridge. For example, "water under the bridge" is a phrase used to indicate that past problems should not affect the current situation. Another phrase is "to burn one's bridges," which means to destroy one's path, options, or relationships. Now, let's practice using bridge in some sentences. 1. The bridge in our city spans the wide river. 2. You need to cross the bridge to reach the museum. 3. They are building a new bridge to ease traffic congestion. 4. His diplomatic skills served as a bridge between the two nations. 5. I hope our disagreement is water under the bridge now. Well, there we have it. A deep dive into the word bridge. It's not just a physical structure but a powerful term in the English language with various uses. We hope this video has helped you bridge the gap in your understanding of English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and soon using these words will become second nature. Until next time, happy learning!